Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's Day. I think I'm uploading this on New Year's Day, but it's New Year's Eve night right now. I am getting ready to head out for the evening, but I thought I would pop on here real quick and share a haul with you guys. So I went to Target. I wanted to check out what was left in their Christmas section. I think Julie from Julie Simply Love posted on either Snapchat or Insta stories that it's 70% off.
So I had to go.
I know a lot of you are like so done with Christmas. I'm sad. I wish it was Christmas year round. I'm leaving my stuff up until next weekend, so I think that's like January 6th. I'll save Christmas until the end. I wanted to see what was in the dollar spot. I saw they brought out some Valentine's Day stuff, and I don't decorate a whole lot for Valentine's Day. I think I will do a video, like a decorate with me video, with a few little things, but believe it or not, I am helping to host a bridal shower. I feel like this entire year I've been talking on this channel about bridal showers, bachelorette parties, baby showers, all this stuff. I just have a lot of friends who have exciting things happening in their lives, and I feel like I'm kind of the go-to party planner girl. So the first thing that I found that I thought would be really great for this bridal shower, and by the way, if you're planning a bridal shower, bachelorette party, even a baby shower, whatever, they have some stuff in the Valentine's Day section that I think you can use. So the first thing that I got is this banner that says love. Love is in gold, and then there are two like roses on either side. I feel like a lot of times bridal showers and bachelorette parties kind of use gold as like the main color. It's just like a really celebratory, is that a word? It's a color that people use a lot of times for celebrations. So this I don't think is just Valentine's Day specific, because it's not like the hearts and the arrows and stuff, which they did have one that was like hearts and arrows. I think they had ones that were all hearts. This I think will work, so I got this, and it's only $3. They also had the balloons, like the letter balloons, and it said love. I wasn't sure how big it was, and that was $5. Now that's a pretty good price for those balloons that like spell out a word. They can be very expensive. I have purchased those before, but you know, I thought this is a little bit more substantial in my opinion, and $2 cheaper, so I went with that. My most exciting find, and I'm going to use this beyond just the bridal shower. If I say engagement party, I mean bridal shower. It's just, I just helped plan an engagement party, so that's still like a little bit fresh on my mind. But I finally found a cake stand in the dollar spot. So once in a while, I will find a cake stand in the dollar spot, but I always find the colored ones. And I don't do a ton of color. You guys know that. I like to keep kind of like serveware, dishes, that kind of thing white, so I can use them for any season. So I thought this would be so cute to put a dessert on for her bridal shower. I'm thinking I want to try to make macarons and kind of do a display of macarons on here. How cute would that be? Jose's like, well, you better try the recipe like tomorrow or so you know if it works. This party's not for like another 3 weeks. He just wants me to make them so that he can eat them. But yeah, I'm so happy to have found this. This was $5. That's a really good price for a cake stand. I'm really happy to have found this. Another item that I got that kind of like matches the cake stand, it has, I don't know if you can see, it has like the scalloped kind of, I don't want to, what would you call this? It just has like a design in it. Kind of looks like a doily. I got the little tin. You can do like, you can use this for so many different things, but they match. And these they bring out with like almost every single occasion and season. They had this in a bunch of colors like red, pink. I think they might have even had other colors, maybe gold. These are always $1. I've put straws in these for my coffee bar, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do for this engagement party. So I got these, and then the, let's see, did I get? The last thing that I got from the Target dollar spot, which I think is so perfect for a bridal party, a bridal shower. Again, if I keep saying engagement party, bridal party, blah, 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 like I can't keep anything straight. I feel like my life for the past year has been revolving around weddings, whether it's my friends' weddings or weddings that Jose is involved in. It's like, it's crazy. So this last thing would be great for bridal shower, bachelorette party, whichever, whatever it is. I'm going crazy. Are these little drink stirs, and they're called stir sticks. You get 8 of them. They are clear with gold. They are clear with gold glitter, and they just say love. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're just really cute. And I think that I've seen these for $3 in the past before in the Target dollar spot. So, so I did get 4 packs. It's not going to be a very large bridal shower, so I think that should be enough. These are the kind of thing that, like, you know, people do end up using, but they're more so just to be cute and like a display. And I'll see if I can get kind of close so you can see maybe like what the image looks like. So again, $1, I picked up 4 of these. So that's it for Target dollar spot. I went into the Christmas section next, and I got some little goodies that I probably should not have picked up. So I got 5 of these Milano cookie packages. You get 3 of them, and these were 70% off. So these were $1 a piece, full price. So at 70% off, these were 30 cents a piece. So I got 5 of them. So I could do the math in my head right now, but I don't want to say the wrong answer by accident and look like an idiot. But I got probably like what you would get in a full package of these for probably half the price, and I thought that was really cool. I also got this awesome star-shaped box of Ferrero Rocher chocolates. These are the hazelnut chocolates. They are fine chocolates. You can get a pack of 3 for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I think they're more like $1.25 if you get them at the grocery store. So in this package you get 12, and I don't know what the original price of this was. I kind of like, I don't know where my receipt is right now, but this ended up being $2 with the 70% off. So I got this to give as kind of a hostess gift for the party that I'm going to tonight, maybe with a bottle of champagne or something. I think that would be a cute hostess gift, but probably by the time this is going up, you probably don't need a hostess gift for the holidays anymore, but this is a really good buy if you want to just have a few little fine chocolates for yourself. Speaking of fine chocolates, I got Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares. These are the dark chocolate version. I think they're all dark chocolate if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. There's so many different forms of Ghirardelli chocolate. So these are usually like $5 or $6 full price. And this ended up being $1.30. This is the full-size bag of them. Sorry if I just blinded you. These are my dad's favorite. I love them. Actually, at Christmas, my dad had my dad and my mom. My dad and my mom both do the decorating, by the way. I didn't mention that. I think I kind of made it sound like my dad does everything at home in my parents' home decor tour, if you watch that video. My mom does most of it, actually, but I felt like I kept pointing out that my dad did stuff because I'm like, oh, you know, my dad, he decorates, because that's like not a normal guy trait. So anyways, what I was gonna say is at my parents' house, they put little miniature bags of these on each plate for Christmas dinner. And my one brother doesn't like chocolate. My one brother's on a diet. My dad has a bunch of them. My mom is so giving. She gave me hers. So I walked out of there on Christmas Day with like 6 or 7 little tiny bags. So I have a lot of this already, but I could always use a little bit more. So I was happy to have snagged this up. And then the last item from this haul I was so excited for. I was like, how is this still left? Maybe maybe I just think this is so much cuter than it really is or whatever, but there were 2 of these next items left, and I got them both. They're so me. I'm building it up for you guys. I found this set of ornaments. These I will try to show you up close are so mean. It's not even funny. There's 4 of them, and these 2 are silver mercury glass with a white like center that kind of like dips in, and then sitting on top of it is a silver snowflake. And then these 2 are white on the outside with a rose gold mercury glass dip with a silver, it kind of looks like a flower, but I think it's a snowflake. And these are so beautiful. They were $10 full price, but with the 70% off, I got this box for $3. These are real glass. They say handcrafted glass ornaments, and I just really love these. I'm going to show them to you guys up close in case anybody cares. They had a lot of really good ornaments left. I don't know if I was at like a low traffic. It's probably a lower traffic Target than the one that I normally go to, but here is the rose gold one. If you can see, it's rose gold mercury glass in here, and then it has the silver snowflake, and it's a white ornament. And how beautiful, like, I mean, it would just fit perfectly on this tree. And same with this one. I love, 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 love silver mercury glass. I have it all over this tree as well. And this is just like, even if I wanted to turn, even if you didn't like this side, you could just turn it around and just have like this beautiful rose gold. This is kind of like a more unique shaped ornament. I love these. I'm hoping next year to get another tree. I'm hoping we have a house at that point. We are looking right now. And if I have a house, if I can fit 2 trees in this apartment, I should be able to fit a 3rd tree in a house. So, I plan on doing that. Like, I'm gonna start planning so early for Christmas next year. But anyways, I did do some shopping after Christmas at Big Lots and Hobby Lobby too. If you guys want to see a video on what I picked up at those stores, let me know and I will make that. I got some things that I plan to use right away. They are technically Christmas decor, but I'm going to use it for winter decor. So let me know if you want to see that. I hope you're having a relaxing, refreshing New Year's Day. I wish you guys many blessings for 2018. And yeah, let's make this a really great year. And I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye, guys.